Imagine a world where humans are not the most intelligent beings, where artificial intelligence rules supreme. Scary, isn't it? But how close are we really to this reality? In this age of rapid technological advancement, the rise of artificial intelligence, or AI, has ignited a wildfire of speculation and apprehension. It's a topic that stirs up our deepest fears and anxieties. A world where machines outsmart us, where they control our lives, our decisions. It sounds like a dystopian sci-fi movie, doesn't it? But could it be our future? That's the question we're going to tackle today. AI has become a ubiquitous part of our daily lives, from the virtual assistants on our phones to the recommendation algorithms on our favorite streaming services. But as AI continues to evolve, becoming more sophisticated and complex, it's worth asking, how far will it go? Could it surpass human intelligence? And if it does, what does that mean for us? These questions aren't just idle speculation. They're at the heart of a heated debate about the future of our society and our species. Some envision a utopia where AI solves all our problems, from climate change to disease. Others foresee a dystopia where AI becomes an unstoppable force, out of our control. Our objective today is to dissect fact from fiction, to separate the sensational from the scientific. We'll delve into the world of AI, examining its capabilities, its potential risks, and the safeguards we can put in place. We'll hear from experts, scrutinize research, and challenge popular misconceptions. All to answer one question: are we on the brink of an AI takeover? But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Before we can answer that question, we need to understand what AI is and what it isn't. We need to explore its potential and its limitations. And most importantly, we need to consider the ethical implications of its development and use. Are we on the brink of an AI takeover, or is it all just science fiction? Let's dive into it. Artificial intelligence, the game changer of the 21st century. It's revolutionizing our world, but with great power comes great responsibility. The rise of artificial intelligence is truly a marvel to behold. From simplifying mundane tasks to solving complex problems, AI has proven to be a game changer in various fields. It's like a magical genie that's transforming healthcare, finance, transportation, and countless other sectors, making our lives more comfortable and efficient. But as we marvel at these technological advancements, we're also faced with a chilling question. What happens when artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence? This isn't just a topic for a sci-fi movie anymore. It's a real concern for our near future. Imagine a world where machines not only perform tasks, but also think, learn, and make decisions independently. It's a world where AI doesn't just assist humans, but could potentially outsmart us. This thought can be exciting, but it can also be quite unnerving. The fear of AI becoming too intelligent and powerful is not entirely baseless. After all, it's a creation of human intelligence. And as we've seen throughout history, human intelligence, when unchecked, can lead to unforeseen consequences. However, it's crucial to remember that AI, in its current form, isn't an autonomous entity with a will of its own. It's a tool, a powerful one indeed, but still a tool that operates under our control. But what if we lose that control? What if AI evolves to a point where it can make decisions that we can't comprehend or override? This is where the concept of AI surpassing human intelligence becomes a double-edged sword. On one side, we have the immense potential for growth and innovation. On the other, we have the risk of losing control and facing possible harm. So, we find ourselves standing at the precipice of a new era, where we must balance the promise of AI with the potential risks it poses. It's a delicate balance indeed, and one that we must handle with great care. AI, a double-edged sword, a boon or a bane? The answer isn't as simple as it seems. Hollywood paints a grim picture of AI, but are these portrayals accurate, or are they just playing on our fears? Dystopian narratives have a way of captivating our imaginations. Blockbuster movies and best-selling novels often depict artificial intelligence as a malevolent force, hell-bent on outsmarting and ultimately dominating its human creators. These tales of AI takeover are thrilling, no doubt, but they are far removed from the reality of AI as we know it today. In the fictional world, AI is often portrayed as a sentient being with human-like consciousness and intentions. It's depicted as having the capability to not only outperform humans in every task, but also to manipulate and deceive us for its gain. These narratives feed into our deepest fears of being replaced or controlled. Yet, the current state of AI technology tells a different story. Today's AI is far from achieving the level of consciousness seen in these fictional narratives. It does not have intentions, desires, or the ability to understand the world in the way humans do. AI, in its current form, is a tool, a sophisticated piece of technology that can perform specific tasks it's been trained to do. Contrary to the notion of AI spontaneously deciding to turn against humans, the reality is that AI does what it's programmed to do, nothing more, nothing less. It's worth noting that AI's capabilities are a reflection of the data it's been trained on and the algorithms it's been programmed with. It doesn't have a mind of its own. It doesn't have personal motivations. Moreover, the concept of AI surpassing human intelligence, also known as the singularity, is a speculative idea at best. While AI has made impressive strides in areas like pattern recognition and data analysis, it still falls short in many aspects of human cognition, such as understanding context, abstract thinking, and creative problem-solving. So it seems AI isn't quite ready to take over the world, but that doesn't mean it's without risks. AI is more than just robots and supercomputers. It's in our phones, our cars, even our healthcare. But how much do we really know about it? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a rapidly evolving field with capabilities that are expanding at an exponential rate. It's a technology that has the potential to revolutionize our world, from the way we work to the way we live our lives. At present, AI can do some truly incredible things. It can recognize patterns, learn from experience, and make decisions based on the information it's given. It can sift through vast amounts of data in a fraction of the time it would take a human, and it can even predict future trends or outcomes. But let's not forget, AI also has its limitations. It's not capable of emotional understanding or creative thinking in the same way a human is. It can only operate within the parameters it's been given, and it can't understand context in the way we do. AI is being used in a multitude of real-world applications. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases, it's powering self-driving cars, and it's improving customer service through chatbots. In the financial sector, AI is used to detect fraudulent transactions, and in the entertainment industry, it's used to recommend movies or songs based on our preferences. But with great power comes great responsibility. The development of AI needs to be managed carefully to ensure it's used ethically and responsibly. We need to consider the potential impact on jobs, privacy, and security. We need to ensure that AI is transparent and that it's held accountable for its decisions. The key point to remember is that AI is a tool, and like any tool, it's neither inherently good nor bad. It's how we choose to use it that matters. We have the opportunity to harness the power of AI to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, but we also have the responsibility to prevent its misuse. AI, when used responsibly, has the potential to change our world for the better, but misuse can lead to unexpected and potentially harmful consequences. AI, while transformative, isn't without its pitfalls. From job displacement to privacy concerns, the risks are real. Let's delve deeper into these challenges. Firstly, the increasing reliance on AI in various sectors has led to fears of job displacement. As machines become more adept at performing complex tasks, there's a concern that they might replace human labor in certain fields. This is not just about factory workers and drivers, but also includes professionals like lawyers, doctors, and even artists. The second risk is the potential for AI systems to exhibit unintended behaviors. This could result from flaws in their design or programming, leading to unpredictable and potentially harmful actions. For instance, an AI system designed to maximize efficiency might do so at the expense of other important considerations, such as safety or fairness. Next, there's the issue of bias. AI systems learn from the data they're fed, and if that data reflects societal biases, the AI will likely perpetuate those biases. This could result in unfair outcomes in critical areas like hiring, lending, and law enforcement, where AI is increasingly used for decision-making. We also cannot ignore privacy concerns. With AI's ability to process vast amounts of data, there's an inherent risk of invasion of privacy. How much of our personal data is being collected, and how is it being used? These are questions that demand our attention. Finally, there's the broader societal impact. As AI continues to evolve, it could potentially disrupt social structures and power dynamics. Who gets to control these powerful tools, and how will they use them? Will the benefits of AI be shared widely, or will they accrue to a privileged few? These challenges are complex and multifaceted, but they are not insurmountable. It's crucial that we address them head-on through thoughtful design, rigorous testing, and robust regulation. AI is a tool, and like any tool, it's only as good or as bad as the person wielding it. We can't stop the march of progress, but we can guide its path. So, how do we ensure that AI benefits humanity rather than harms it? It starts with research and initiatives focused on AI safety and ethics. Around the world, scientists and ethicists are working together to define and enforce ethical guidelines for AI development. They're creating safeguards to ensure that AI systems are designed with human well-being in mind, and they're developing mechanisms to prevent and correct harmful AI behaviors. But this isn't just a job for the experts. We all have a role to play in shaping the future of AI. Public engagement in AI governance is crucial. After all, AI affects us all. We need to be part of the conversations about how it's developed, how it's used, and how it's regulated. We need to make our voices heard to ensure that AI is used in ways that align with our values and priorities. Transparency is a key part of this. We need to understand how AI systems work, how they make decisions, and what their limitations are. This means demanding clear, understandable explanations from those who design and deploy AI systems. It also means advocating for laws and regulations that require transparency in AI development. Accountability is another crucial factor. When AI systems make mistakes or when they're used irresponsibly, there need to be consequences. Those who develop and use AI need to be held accountable for their actions. This means creating legal and regulatory frameworks that can keep pace with AI's rapid development. Collaboration is also vital. The challenges posed by AI are complex and multifaceted, and they can't be solved by any one discipline or sector alone. We need interdisciplinary collaboration to create comprehensive, effective strategies for managing AI's impact. The future of AI is in our hands. It's up to us to ensure it's a future we can all thrive in. Let's embrace this responsibility with courage, curiosity, and a commitment to doing what's best for humanity. AI is here to stay, but how do we embrace it without inviting disaster? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is becoming increasingly intertwined with our daily lives. From powering our smartphones to driving our cars, it's hard to imagine a world without it. But with this great power comes great responsibility. It's not just about creating the most advanced AI, but also about ensuring that it's used in a way that benefits, not harms, humanity. Let's consider a balanced approach to AI adoption and regulation. Balance doesn't mean slowing down innovation or stifling progress. It means fostering an environment where AI can thrive and contribute to society, while also being held accountable for its actions. It's about harnessing the power of AI and using it to solve complex problems, while also considering the ethical implications of its use. Regulation is one piece of this puzzle. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate AI, and it's a complex issue with no easy answers. However, regulation is crucial to prevent misuse and ensure transparency and fairness. At the same time, it's important not to stifle innovation with heavy-handed regulation. It's a fine line to walk, but it's a necessary one. But regulation alone isn't enough. We also need to consider how we, as a society, adopt AI. Adoption isn't just about using AI, but about understanding it. It's about being informed about what AI can and can't do, and understanding the implications of its use. It's about being able to ask the right questions and hold AI developers accountable. And that's where you come in. It's crucial for all of us to stay informed about AI advancements and to participate in discussions about its implications. This isn't just a job for scientists or engineers. It's a responsibility that we all share. Because the decisions we make about AI today will shape the world of tomorrow. So, what can you do? Start by educating yourself about AI. There are plenty of resources available online to help you understand the basics. Join discussions about AI, whether that's online or in your community. Don't be afraid to ask questions or voice your concerns. Remember, it's not just about understanding AI, but about understanding its impact on society. And finally, remember that AI is a tool. Like any tool, it's neither inherently good nor bad. It's how we use it that matters. AI has the potential to do great things, but it also has the potential to cause harm. It's up to us to ensure that the former outweighs the latter. The AI revolution is upon us, but whether it's a blessing or a curse, that's up to us to decide. Let's embrace AI, but let's do it responsibly. We owe it to ourselves and to future generations.